Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Honda HR-V versus the Ford Escape. We'll dive into their core attributes, helping you understand the differences that matter most. We'll look at everything from engine power and fuel economy to interior comfort and cargo capacity. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which compact SUV aligns better with your lifestyle and driving preferences. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Honda HR-V typically features a 1.5-liter engine, delivering 158 horsepower, which is great for city driving. The Ford Escape, however, offers more engine choices, including a powerful 2.0-liter option with 250 horsepower for those seeking more zip. In terms of fuel efficiency, both vehicles are quite competitive, with the HR-V achieving an estimated 30 mpg combined, and the Escape also offering up to 30 mpg, depending on the configuration. Inside, both the HR-V and Escape comfortably seat 5 passengers, but their approaches to cargo space differ. The Honda HR-V is renowned for its magic seat, allowing for incredibly versatile cargo configurations, from tall items to long objects. The Ford Escape, on the other hand, boasts a generous maximum cargo volume of up to 65.4 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down, providing ample room for your gear. Both offer practical and comfortable interiors. Regarding safety and technology, both the HR-V and Escape come equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, ensuring peace of mind on the road. The Escape often provides a larger available touchscreen infotainment system, offering more connectivity options. Ultimately, choosing between them depends on your priorities for power, space, and tech. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.